So at this point in time, Ninja Man, Desmond Valentine, is peeved, upset, along with his attorney Valerie Nita Robinson, over the fact that his long and protracted and prolonged and dragged out murder case is still not any closer to being concluded. Ninja Man was arrested and charged for the murder of Ricardo Johnson jointly in 2009. He spent 3 years in prison before he was granted bail in 2012, and since then the trial has been postponed many times. As a matter of fact, I think it has been postponed up to 6 times now. He was to be in court recently, but the case was again postponed until October the 2nd because there was no judge and there was no courtroom available for the trial to progress. I mean, that is an indictment on the already struggling justice system, which has many cases on its books, and many cases that should have been wrapped up a long time ago is still adding to the backlog because of supposedly shortage of resources. So I'm not entirely sure how we are going to fight crime if there is no program or framework in place to have cases being tried in a timely manner and a resolution being made as it relates to these cases. His lawyer is saying it is unfair for her client, and all she wants is a fair trial for the DJ. Ninja Man, for his part, is saying that it is affecting his life because even though he has traveled abroad on a few occasions since the incident, he is very restricted and has to request special permit when he wants to travel, and he's saying that it is very challenging. Everybody knows that artists don't really make money at Jamaica, and in order for you to afford, you have a tour. So I must say some promoters even bother for booking because they're not sure if I'm going to be able to fly. You understand what I say? So he is requesting that his travel documents be freed up because him not run gun away and him ugly already, so him can't hide. Those are his words, people. You understand? He's also saying him have poor people work for do. I suppose referring to his newfound initiative where he has been assisting persons with certain needs in the past couple of months. Some people have lauded his efforts there. Some persons have criticized him. Some persons still haven't forgiven him for the fact that he has been mentioned with a murder. I mean, irrespective of what you do in life, there will be a divide. I think it's a good initiative. He is out on bail, so I mean, instead of just sitting down at home, you're doing something where impact the life of people who really need it. I think that's commendable, you understand? So different people have a different perspective on it. But some background now piece as it relates to this whole situation. It is believed that in 2009, a murder took place in the Mall Road area of Seaview, St. Andrew. It is reported that Ricardo Johnson was at home sweeping his yard in the company of another friend. A car drove up and an argument developed between Johnson's friend and the men in the car. The men in the car supposedly left and returned and opened fire, hitting Johnson. He was pronounced dead. I don't know if he was on the spot or at the hospital. After the incident, the police listed Ninja Man as a person of interest. He later turned himself in, where he was arrested and charged. Jointly, as I said, with his son, Janiel, Clayton Dennis, or Dennis Clayton, something like that, and another accused who has later died, who has since died. His name is Seymour Samuels, I think. So that is the situation at the moment. So the next court date for Ninja Man is the 2nd of October. We'll see how it develops. I mean, these things are tricky, I suppose. If the case is being thrown around, move from court to court, no judge, this, that, no witness, I suppose eventually the case will be thrown out. That is one way of looking at it. Or this will be dragged on for years and then Ninja Man is found guilty and sentenced when he could have been serving his sentence from a longer time. So it depends on how you look at it here, peeps. You understand? Ninja Man and his attorney are not pleased. You understand? And they want the matter to be expedited and for a decision to be made by the courts. You understand what I say? So Ninja Man a complain still, but you spread the bed out, you have to lay down in the yard. I don't know if Ninja Man is involved. I don't know if he's guilty. But his name was called and he was arrested and imprisoned for 3 years. So I am suggesting that there might be something there. So I don't know still, but I just one of them things. The issue that me have here is with the fact that the justice system is so tired, it's so ill-equipped, it's so under-resourced, it's so underfunded. And if we intend to reining the scourge of crime currently inundating the country, we have to address the justice system. You understand? You can't arrest a man and lock him up and have him a feed upon taxpayer money for years upon years because the justice system can't dispose of his case. It don't make no sense. It's counterproductive. You understand? It's like we run upon the spot. We not move forward. We not progress. You understand what I say? We just remain stagnant, stationary. My God. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.